welcome to Goa News. Now, friends, I am today at Chikalim Village Panchayat premises. म्हणजे फाटल्यान तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता काय बरे सुंदर विलेज पंचायत premises. And another surprise we have today young dynamic Sarpanch Kamla Prasad Yadav. So today we thought to do an interview because we got to know Mr. Yadav has certain points in his mind आणि जे points जर suppose implement केले जाल्यार खूप this panchayat will be one of the people's friendly panchayat, providing all facilities at the doorstep and on priority basis. So ते issue असा आणि बाकीचे थोडे माझे आणि प्रश्न असतले about the panchayat. But before I start, I wanted to know, Kamla Prasad Bab, congratulations. And first time we have got such a young sarpanch. कितें बरें दिसलें की people got you elected and your team got you elected.
Actually my team got me elected. जे friend circle आहा आणि जे support म्हाका गावलो पळय माझ्या एरियान. I like to thank all my voters and all my supporters for electing me. आज जे हांव पोस्टार आहा न्हू सगळो तेंचोच आशिर्वाद आहा आणि तेंचीच मेहनत आहा एक्चुअली.
आणि कमला प्रसाद बाब, आम्ही जेन्ना आयकताले that you have certain you have laid down some plans for the panchayat, streamlining things. One by one, can you just highlight what is your vision for the panchayat and for the people?
Actually I say Kamla Prasad Yadav 3.0. This is my third term and I have come in the panchayat with a different mode. Last 10 years I had done actually vote bank politics. Everybody does that. But this time I have thought that leave aside that vote bank politics and do actual real social work on field. Do whatever feels that this thing is good for your village panchayat Chikalim, that thing you do. So this full 5 years you will see only and only development of village panchayat Chikalim and nothing else. There will be no illegalities, no corruption, and one of the best services you will get in our panchayat. That's my aim.
Corruption free panchayat, that's your aim.
It's not 95 or 99%. It will be 100% corruption free panchayat, that I assure you. Anything you hear from me, bring back to me. I'll take a strict action on any of the staff or members who has done anything. So that I'm assuring. Plus garbage free panchayat. This we have got award also for the best cleanest panchayat, best panchayat to have a house to house garbage collection. But there are a lot of loopholes that we'll have to clear and make one of the best panchayat means in garbage management. Our minister Shri Mohin Gudino sir, he has a different vision for Dabolim, and under his leadership, if we can't perform as a sarpanch, then there is nothing, then I have no right to sit here actually. When it's a ministerial constituency and minister's full support is there, if having such a support and if you can't perform, then I don't think so we have right to sit here. And I am assuring to the people and to our minister also that full 5 years you will see a different level of working in our panchayat.
Like
I am appointing a PRO.
PRO?
Yeah, which you see in corporate offices. When a person comes in our panchayat, a representative will be there. He will be asking, sir, may I help you? What do you require? He will be served by tea or water, and that work he'll do from the staff and get back to him. So he'll go with a happy smiling face from the panchayat.
My God, which means people, it's a good news which I have got to know that this panchayat is sooner or later it is going to become like a corporate office where a person will be appointed just to take care of people, people's work, and the person will go with a smiling face.
That is our intention, because normally what happens when a person comes to do his work or pay house tax, स्टाफ सेज ना आज ना सेक्रेटरी ना साइन मारू ना फाल्यां यो परो ही is demoralized. He says that I have taken a leave, I have come to pay house tax, and then I get such a treatment. So that impression reflects on the politician then. He says then, come for voting, I'll show you all. Actually, it's not mistake of our representative, but a small mistake of staff, it reflects on us. So to remove that, we are keeping a public representative officer. So he can handle with a smiling face. If his work is not done also, he will go with a smiling face saying that some 2 documents were not there, that's why the work has not been done. Otherwise what happens, the work is done, then also he goes in a different mood. रागान वयता तो म्हाका ट्रीटमेंट सारकी दिवना, म्हाका अटेंड करूना और डिले केलो, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. प्लस
ना PRO हे पंचायती तर्फे असतले और पर्सनली you people have decided to get it
we'll be taking resolution and sending it to the BDO and director of panchayat to allow a special grant to appoint. If not, then I'll use my fund and I'll from my side as a sarpanch I'll be paying him.
by hook or crook you will get it done.
Yeah, sure. Then second, all the staff members will get a dress code,
A uniform. So when you come in a panchayat, you will feel, this is a panchayat staff. Otherwise, in different colored dress, you can't know who is the staff and who is No staff.
voter. Yeah, non-staff. So they will get a dress code. Then they will get a nameplate. Because by
कित्या खातीर?
nameplate is by name they can call. Fatima, do this thing. Nameplates are. Then work profile. Then the tablar, their work profile will be there. नाल्यार लोक येवन सोदता वेर इज द बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, वेर इज द हाऊस टॅक्स. सो ते एक नेम प्लेट आसतले ऑल द वर्किंग स्टाफ. सेकंड, आय एम चेंजिंग द entrance of the hall. Normally now the hall entrance is through the panchayat. So in the working hours, the full working is getting disturbed because of this hall. So we are changing the entrance of the hall. Then we'll be having nice lobby. We'll have a tea coffee machine there. Water bottles will be there. So free. If it suits in the panchayat budget, well and good.
Otherwise you will do it.
I'll do it.
Hook or crook you will do it.
Yeah. So next 5 years you'll see this changes. You'll see within 2 to 3 months this changes actually. Then full panchayat I am trying to make it online.
Okay.
So people sitting at home through Google Pay, different apps you have now. You can pay your house tax. Don't have to come, apply here, be in queue. So full house tax, commercial tax, everything will be done online. So if 70-80% things are done online, you'll see less rush here. And people also will be happy. Now, as per our Prime Minister, that Digital India, our panchayat still operating in the old fashion with all big registers and all. So next 2-3 months, we are getting a database operator who will feed all the entries and will go online. So maximum things of the panchayat will be done online.
एक सरकाराचो एक प्रयत्न आसता प्रत्येक फाटी सरकार तुमचे दारी, सो पंचायत तुमचे दारी, अशें कितें आसतलें मागीर प्रयत्न?
Panchayat tumche dari, actually that thing I am doing last 5 years because my own office is there in Dabolim.
Okay.
People come to my office, we fill the forms, we bring that form to the office, we get the residence certificate, income certificate, whatever certificates are there, and back to their place, back to them we deliver. So the last 5-10 years we are doing that. Full panchayat, every member has to take that initiative. So every member, if they take initiative, then that thing can be implemented. Sarkar tumcha dwari. Actually in panchayat level almost sarkar tumcha dwari astat because all the members are known to each and every voter. So they get their things and they get it done here.
काम चालूच आसता. एक प्रेशर आसता वेन यू सी तुमचे आतां हांगाचे जे पंचायत मंत्री आहा ते हांगाचे रेजिडेंटी आसा आनी नाव ही इज ऑल्सो द मिनिस्टर. सो एक प्रेशर आसता तुमचे और इट इज व्हेरी कूल टू परफॉर्म अंडर हिम.
Actually, it's not a pressure. It's a happy feeling that some force is there on top which is supporting us. And कितें decision घेवपाक गेलो न्हू, it becomes very easy. We know that minister is with us and he is fully cooperative. So कितें decision घेता न्हू, it's very easy to take actually. That will be supported by our minister. Yeah. So that eases our pressure. नेक्स्ट आनी एक बरी गोष्ट जी जावपाची आहा दॅट FSTP येवपाची आहा आमचे पंचायतीन.
ओके
बिग सिवरेज प्लांट विच विल सॉर्ट आउट ऑल दीस सिवरेज इश्यूज बारीक बारीक, कित्याक सिवरेज लायनीक टायम वयतलो. सो फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्युशन दीस FSTP विल सॉल्व द 90% ऑफ द सिवरेज प्रॉब्लम. आमचो एक व्हडलो 5 TPD गार्बेज प्लांट विच इज अबाउट टू बी कमिशन्ड, ऑलरेडी काम चालू आहा, विच कॅन हँडल 5 टन गार्बेज. सो गार्बेजाचो इशूच सॉल्व जातलो, वेट गार्बेज. ड्राय गार्बेज वी बेल एन वी गिव इट टू सालिगांव, बट जे वेट गार्बेज आशिल्लो पळय that can be treated in that FSTP, this 5 TB plant, and that will generate electricity which can be given to the joggers park. Plus that FSTP which is coming, in that the treated water can be used for the gardening of the joggers park. So panchayati जो खर्च आशिल्लो हेतून उदकाक आनी लायटीक, that also will be solved.
एक जॉगर्स पार्काचो तुम्ही जो मुद्दो काडलो बरें जालें. हांव एक प्रश्न विचारपाक सोदतालो. गेले फाटी जॉगर्स पार्क डेव्हलप करून पंचायत दिले आमचे हांगाचे मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनो, तेंच्यांनी जेन्ना जॉगर्स पार्क बांदले, इट वॉज हीज ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट विच ही फुलफिल्ड ऑल्सो. पण दिले आनी समहाव ही वॉज अनहॅपी बिकॉज पंचायत, यू आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द प्रिवियस पंचायत फेल टू मेंटेन इट. ह्या फाटी सेकंड फेजूय करता आनी सपोज इतले पयशे कोटींनी पयशे घातले आनी मेंटेन करूं ना जाल्यार you know everybody will feel bad. So हे फाटी कितें प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन आसतलो?
एनीथिंग डेव्हलप्ड हॅज टू बी मेंटेन प्रॉपरली. जेन्ना मेंटेनन्स ना न्हू, पाड लागतात ते गोश्टीचे. सो मेंटेनन्स इज द मेजर इशू. लास्ट टायम जेन्ना फर्स्ट फेज जाल्लो कंप्लीट न्हू, एंड इट वॉज हँडेड ओवर टू पंचायत, सिन्स देर वॉज नो रेवन्यू जनरेशन फ्रॉम द पार्क, इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पंचायत टू मेंटेन इट बिकॉज सेक्युरिटी, दोन सेक्युरिटी, then एक housekeeper to maintain the toilets, then water bill, light bill. So it was very difficult for the panchayat to maintain. 2-3 lakh खर्च आहा पण income ना. Now once the second phase is complete, there will be food court which will be auctioning and giving out for lease. So ते पैसे येतले पंचायतीक which will be very easy to maintain actually. जेन्ना पैसे येता न्हू from any source, then it is very easy to maintain. Plus our water problem will be solved from that FSTP. Then our electricity problem will be solved from that generation from the waste, that 5 TBD plant. So एक automatically सगळे गोष्टी सेट जायत आहा, means
It's all
interconnected. So next 5 years you'll see with the help of our minister, सराचे खूबशे प्लॅन आहा. He is a very visionary leader actually, and he has planned lot of things in Dabolim. So along with it आमचे बरे काम जातले. So just we have to follow his vision and बारीक
फॉलो द फुटस्टेप. पण एक हा न्ही की तेंकाय विश्वास जावपाक जाय, बिकॉज लास्ट टायम दिल्ले करूं ना म्हणून आतां कितले कोटयेचे जे झाडां वाडा लायिल्ले ते मेले. सो ह्या फाटी तरी एश्योरन्स मेळटले सराक मातसो तुमी. इफ यू कॅन थ्रू आवर चॅनल ओनली यू कॅन गिव एश्योरन्स दॅट वी वील डू इट. अदरवायज ही वॉट वी हॅव लर्न टू नो ही वील गिव इट टू सम एजन्सी टू मेंटेन इट. सो हे जावचें न्ही, पंचायती कडेन उरचें म्हणून कितें एश्योरन्स दिवपाक सोदता?
पळय आमकांय फूल कॉन्फिडन्स आहा सराचेर आनी सराकूय फूल कॉन्फिडन्स आहा आमचेर. सो ट्युनिंग सारकी सेट जाल्ली आहा टू डिलिव्हर नेक्स्ट 5 years. MLA इलेक्शन जाला, पंचायत इलेक्शन जाला. नाव ओनली वील हॅव टू वर्क ऑन ग्राउंड. सो अलॉंग विथ आवर मिनिस्टर, अलॉंग विथ आवर पंचायत मेंबर्स, फक्त एंड फक्त आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट करपाचें आनी कांय ना. देन परत आफ्टर 5 years इट्स पिपल्स विश whom to elect or not, बट आमचें काम आमी करीत रावपाचें फॉर वॉट वी हॅव बीन इलेक्टेड हियर.
एक आणि प्रश्न असा, एक चार अँड बिफोर आय पुट दिस क्वेश्चन, आय ऑल्सो नो दॅट सरकाराचे तर्फे एक अटेम्प्ट झालेले आसा. यू विल गेट टू नो आफ्टर दिस इंटरव्यू. वी विल प्ले दॅट व्हिडिओ ऑल्सो वेर दी कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर हॅज अशोर्ड ऑल कायंड ऑफ अ हेल्प. पण जो समस्या आसा, तुमच्याकडे 4 रिक्षा दिलेल्या आसा, ई रिक्षा गार्बेजी खातीर स्वच्छ भारत मिशना अंडर स्वच्छ भारत मिशन. असे खुबशे पंचायतीन दिल्लेले आसा, तुमचे कडेन आहा. पण तेजे यूजूच कांय जायना. हांवें पयले फाटी ते सायडीन आशिल्ले, आतां तुमी म्हाका दिसता फुडें हाडून दवरला. हांव नको कित्याक, कितें इशू आहा आनी कितें सांगपाक सोदता तेजे बाबतींत?
अंडर स्वच्छ भारत वी हॅड गॉट दीस 4 ई-रिक्षाज एक्चुली 1-1.5 वर्सां पयलीं. बट लास्ट फूल 1.5 वर्स हांव पळयता की पंचायतीन पार्किंग उबी आहा ते. सिन्स आय हॅव टूक चार्ज, हांवें सांगलें हांकां बाबा ते रिक्षा आमी रेडी करया आनी वील यूज दॅट. सो टू जेन्ना प्लॅन केलो पळय ते सांगपाक लागले, सर रिक्षा लोड घेयना, खुबशे प्रॉब्लम आसा, मागीर ड्रायव्हर जाय आमकां ऑपरेट करपाक. सो हांवें सांगलें आमी लेटर बरोवया गव्हर्मेंट आवर हायर अप्स दॅट वी रिक्वायर फंड्स ऑर वी रिक्वायर सपोर्ट टू ऑपरेट दीस थिंग्स और ताका चेंज करून सपोज पावर ना न्हू टेक दॅट बॅक एंड गीव अस अ गुड रिक्षा सो गव्हर्मेंटान घेतलेलें आहा मनार सो दे वील प्रोवायड अस सम सोल्युशन.
आणि सॉल्युशन कितें आसा हें मातसो तुमी हे व्हिडिओ पळयचे एंड आय विल बी कमिंग बॅक अगेन आफ्टर दिस व्हिडिओ.
means e-rickshaws, its other equipment as well, which in spite of being given, some panchayats have been unable to use that to the betterment of the public by collecting garbage and moving it to the designated places. I realize also at the same time they have some difficulty. Merely giving equipment just because they are under Swachh Bharat program and not giving them the requisite staff is not going to help. So therefore, I have asked them to revise the scheme where at least for the first 3 years we will totally look after O&M and then we'll work out the absorption by the panchayat of this particular staff by giving them more funds. We are working on this. We are seized of the matter.
पहिला आसतले सो इट इज अ गुड थिंग दॅट दी मिनिस्टर हिमसेल्फ हॅज शोड ऑल कायंड ऑफ सपोर्ट टू दी पंचायत विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दीस इशू. हे सगळे पंचायतीचो व्हडलो मोठो इशू आशिल्लो दॅट दीस रिक्षाज फॉर वीच क्रोड्स हॅव बीन स्पेंड इज नॉट बीन यूज्ड आनी फॉर मेनी रिजन्स. सो खंय तरी इतर लक्ष घालतले. एक जे गार्बेजाचो जे तुमी आतां जे प्लॅन केल्लेले आसा सिस्टमॅटिकली एक 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 लक्ष घालता. वॉट इज युअर विजन लायक ODF म्हणटाले तुमी सो ODF प्लसाचे तुमी कितें म्हणटाले सो वॉट इज दॅट प्लॅन.
See, we have achieved ODF free panchayat and ODF free state actually. It has been declared. Now the next mission is to do ODF plus. What is ODF plus? जे fine tuning आहे in garbage. Community toilets जाय जाग्यार then रस्ते वयले कचरो दिसपा जायना. So plus means one step ahead in cleanliness. Segregation should be properly. Your MRF. There should be in MRF in every village to treat the garbage. So ते आमी लायनीर घालतले. Already we have got 5 TBD plant. We are having FSTP. So garbage बाबतीन Chikalim Panchayat will be first panchayat to be one of ODF plus panchayat. ते हांव assure करता. Second, I forgot to tell you that one more vision of mine was to make Chikalim village 25% lesser carbon dioxide free. 25% कमी करतलो हांव जे आज by planting more trees. What happens every time we do that plantation, tree plantation, एक वन महोत्सव करता प्लांट करता वी टेक फोटोज एंड 4 दिसान तो प्लांट गायब आसता. प्लांटिंग ट्रीज नॉट व्हेरी इजी बट टू मेंटेन and ताका केअर घेवपाक इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो आय हॅव अपॉइंटेड अ टीम will geotag every plant. A person can sponsor on his son's birthday. Builder can sponsor in his company's name 100 trees, 500 trees. We'll assure him that your plant is maintained. Every 15 days you will get a screenshot of your plant with your barcode. It will be geotagged. You can Google and see your plant where it is been installed. So plantation also will go digital. It's a big move actually, and we'll have to select locations where there is no development taking place. Suppose आम्ही plant लायलो and suppose थिंगा road wide जालो रोडाच्या साइडीन. So we'll have to select such a location that next 20-30 years थिंगा it should remain like that.
And again this is with your own funds?
Yeah, this is again with my own funds. So next 5 years you will see cleaner and greener village panchayat Chikalim. आमचं पंचायत will be more greener. So next 5 years.
थोडे ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट कॉन्क्रिटायझेशनाचे जे अपोज करता दॅट विल बी अ गुड मूव इफ यू हॅव मोर ट्रीज.
त्यांचे सारखे ॲक्च्युली इफ यू गो टू सी 20 years back our पंचायत वॉज मोर ग्रीनर. स्लो वेन डेव्हलपमेंट टेक्स प्लेस रस्ते जाता बिल्डिंगा येता सो ऑटोमॅटिकली ग्रीनरी कमी जाता. नाव समवेअर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ दॅट लाईन ॲक्च्युली. नाव वील हॅव टू गो बॅक टू द नेचर. सो केन्ना when you are saying we go back to the nature, we can't demolish all things, we can't remove the roads, we can't जे जाल्ले हा development, we'll have to accept that. हाव वी कॅन मेक इट मोर ग्रीनर. जे जागे उरला पळय आमचे, by taking some resolutions, by planning something towards greenery, open spaces aha roadaच्या साइडीन plant as many trees. I am saying make it a jungle. चिकालीम आम्ही full jungle करूया next 5 years or next future, because we require. जेन्ना कोविड येयल्लो पळय, everybody was thriving for oxygen. तेन्ना आमकां उगडास येयलें झाडाचें म्हत्व कितलें आहा. Then again COVID went and again we are on the same track. So we have to realize that oxygen आमचे लायफान कितलो युजफूल आहा. सो एक तरी क्लिनलीनेस आनी एक हो ग्रीन नेक्स्ट टार्गेट आसा. बिकॉज बाकी बीग डेवलपमेंट लायक रोड एंड ऑल दॅट इज लुक्ड आफ्टर डिफरंट मिनिस्ट्रीज. आमकां कितें आहा, लोकांचे बेसीक कितें सुविधा आहा पळय ते सारके करून बसोवन दिवपाचे आमच्या लेवलार
आणि बेस्ट वे इन बेस्ट मॅन.
बेस्ट वे. आय एम एश्युरिंग हांवें केन्ना लायफान आपलो बिजनसाक स्टडी करतना इतलो सिरियस घेवना, पण सिटींग ऑन दीस चेअर न्हू ऑटोमॅटिकली एक उर्बा येयला म्हाज्या हितून की डू समथींग. कमला फॉर 5 years यू डू समथींग एंड यू गो. लोक उगडास धरपाक नेक्स्ट 20-30 years बाबा एक बरो काम केल्लो हेनी.
ब्लू प्रिंट एक धरतले आणि युअर नेम विल बी रिटन इन गोल्डन वर्ड्स. दॅट इज युअर ड्रीम.
हे सिटार बसयला पळय, फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ चिकालीम. इट्स अ बीग ऑनर एक्चुली टू मी. एक धाकटे मनशाक एक्चुली व्हडलो ऑनर. पण along with that you have challenges also. फाल्यां हांव काम करना जाल्यार गाडयो तितली पडटली म्हाका. सो यू डू गुड थिंग एंड एक नांव उरपा जाय एक्चुली. मेन मोटीव इज दॅट ओनली. पीपल शूड प्रेज बाबा एक बरें काम केलें आनी लास्ट 5 years. तेंच जाय आमकां, आनी कांय नाका.
Well, this was Chikalim Sarpanch Kamla Prasad Yadav. This was a special series segment in which we will be also interviewing many other sarpanches, new sarpanches and deputy sarpanchas with their visions. What are their visions for the village? But खरेखर जे यांच्यानी म्हणला these visions to convert this as a corporate म्हणले असे चिंतप ना की it will be a profit making organization. Corporate means the facility will be a corporate standard, and that way if this happens, this panchayat will be very very people's friendly panchayat as it is. ही कितले बरे सुंदर बिल्डिंग हा. You are blessed with a very good infrastructure with regards to panchayat premises across the तालुका. तुमचेच कडे सगळे कडे मोठी आणि बरी बिल्डिंग आहे आणि
थँक्स टू आवर पंचायत मिनिस्टर मोविन सर. त्यांनी इतली कामां केल्ली आहा, कावंटींग केलें जाल्यार टायम वयतलो. फर्स्ट पंचायत घर वीच हॅज लिफ्ट. इतलो बरो हॉल आसा where we are generating revenue also actually. We have इतलो व्हडलो जॉगर्स पार्क दिला आमच्या पंचायतीन. We have the first flyover airport आसा. So lot of thing to cherish actually. आणि next 5 years त्यांच्या मनान सुद्धा खूबशे हे आसा करपाचे फॉर दाबोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो अलॉंग विथ दॅट चिकालीम ऑल्सो इज द इन दाबोलीम. सो आमकांय बेनिफीट मेळटले एक्चुअली त्यांच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचे.
नाव सेंटराचे एक इंजिन, स्टेटीचे एक इंजिन आणि पंचायतीचे एक इंजिन, ट्रिपल इंजिन म्हणून धांवतले तुम्ही दिसता.
एक्चुली चिकालीम पंचायतीन हेजी फूल बेनिफीट घेवपा जाय एक्चुली फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. ऑल आमचेच गव्हर्मेंट आहा. सो दे वील बी नो हिंड्रन्स की कामां जावपाना. एवरीवेर वी हॅव गिवन फ्री हँड. सपोज वी कॅनॉट आमी काम करून घेवपाक शकना जाल्यार इट इज आवर फॉल्ट. देर इज नो दॅट आवर वर्क विल नॉट बी हॅपन. BDO सपोर्टीव आहा, डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत सपोर्टीव आहा, मिनिस्ट्री सपोर्टीव, सेंटरान, स्टेटान, एवरीवेर इज आवर गव्हर्मेंट. सो इट्स व्हेरी इजी. काम करून घेवपा जाय फक्त.
आणि जातले आमची असे आशा आसा दॅट वॉट एवर युअर विजन्स, बिकॉज इट्स ट्रुली युनिक. आम्ही फर्स्ट टाइम ऐकला दॅट अ सरपंच हॅज सच अ विजन ऑफ modernizing the panchayat affairs. So it's a real good initiative. We wish you all the best for your initiative. खरे जावचे असे आमची मागणी आसा. and people of Chikalim will definitely praise this body, panchayat body, for such great initiative. हे खरेखर बरे आसा. जे हेंच्यांनी म्हणला that they will be not only appointing PRO but people will be served with tea, coffee and all that. That is something very unique because खूप कडे पान उदक सुद्धा मेळना. So you can understand the level which he is thinking. Hopefully this will happen. Even we wish that this should happen. आणि असेच जातले. बाकीचे हेर कडे आनी कितें पंचायतीन कितें समस्या आसा आनी तेंचे कितें विजन आसा आमी तेंय विचारतले, तेंचेय मुलाकात घेतले. थँक्यू कमला प्रसाद बब फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम and sharing your vision.
थँक्यू नवीन भाई.
Thank you very much. Keep watching Goa News.